Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best orbital sanders that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Bosch Palm 2.5 amp 5-inch orbital sander. Are you looking forward to purchasing the best orbital sander that assures of super smooth finish? This powerful sander features the pad dampening system, which aids doing away with both contoured and flat surfaces for a smooth finish. Moreover, the machine efficiently collects even the tiniest dust as it comes with a micro-filter system. The dust canister will show the level of dust for easy emptying. It is powered by a 2.5 amp motor, which makes it efficient and able to operate at different speeds. This implies that the sander is ideal for a wide range of sanding tasks. The loop and hook system provides an easier way of changing the sandpapers. At number 4. Makita Finishing Sander B03710. For the best finishing sander that will offer increased efficiency and smooth finish, this is the machine to go for. The machine has a powerful motor deliver up to 11,000 RPM, hence a reliable machine for all users. Besides this, the machine features a large 3-finger trigger switch for elementary switching. To keep the workplace cleaner, the machine has an efficient through the pad dust collector. This will store all the dust for a super clean surface. Additionally, the rubberized grip offers a comfortable grip for easy use. It can easily fit all users perfectly, and with the built-in counterbalance system, it will reduce the vibration. At number 3. TACKLIFE 5-inch Random Orbit Sander. Featuring a 3.0 amp motor, this is a powerful orbital sander that brings about smooth and fast sanding. It is able to deliver up to 13,000 RPM for reliable and convenient sanding. Secondly, the machine has a rubberized palm grip design. With this, you can comfortably hold the machine for a quality sanding system. In addition to this, you can use it for a number of sanding activities thanks to the 6 variable speeds. The machine has a compact and ergonomic design, which suits it for use even in smaller areas. It can, therefore, reach all parts for efficient sanding system. The package provides you with up to 12 pieces of sandpaper for long-term use. At number 2. Makita 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. Here is a unique powerful sander that has been designed to suit different sanding tasks. The machine delivers a fast and smooth sanding since it has a powerful 3.0 motor. The good news is that the machine operates at variable speed, making it ideal for adjusting to the ideal speed that will suit the operation. Due to this, it is a widely applicable machine to rely on. Featuring a dust-sealed switch, it doesn't contaminate the machine for long-term use. It has the pad control system to offer better speed control upon a startup for quality and reliable services. And finally at number 1. SKIL 5-inch Random Orbital Sander. Do you need a convenient and ergonomic sander for your daily tasks? This is a powerful and efficient sander that you will find convenient and perfect for all your tasks. The sander is easy to use and clean since it features the X-Flow dust collector, which utilizes cyclone force for easy dust collection. Besides this, the quality sander works at variable speed, hence you can adjust the machine to suit your needs. Due to the compact and ergonomic design, the machine can easily sand even into tighter places for excellent results. It is a powerful sander with 2.8 amp motor to deliver up to 13,000 orbits every minute. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.